Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the early notification of my latest video. Hi again, in today's video, you will know about Google Password Manager, which is free. You will know how your passwords are saved and how you can recover your passwords that you have forgotten or when you had to format your hard disk. With Password Manager, you can import and export your passwords. All about this and much more you will find in this video. Therefore, do not miss any part of this video. First of all, open your Chrome web browser and log into your Gmail account. After Gmail has opened, move your cursor towards the top right in the Google Apps area. And click on Account. In the Account Home section, you will find several useful links. But if you have to look for Password Manager and saved passwords, you have to look into Security section. Click on Security. Coming down below, you will find Password Manager, where all your passwords are saved. You can also directly access Password Manager by logging into passwords.google.com. You have to sign in to your Gmail account to gain access to your saved passwords, as you have seen before. And after signing in, you can see all your saved passwords. Coming back to where we started, here in this Password Manager, you can see in the right side is written, you do not have passwords saved in your Google account. Click on Password Manager. There you will find another message that you are not syncing your passwords. Clicking on Please change your sync settings, a Help Center page will open which will guide how to turn sync on and off in Chrome browser as per your choice. Here is how you can do it. Make sure that you have logged into your Gmail account. In Chrome browser, go to Settings. There you will find your Gmail name and turn on Sync button. Click on it. Below you can see other options such as Sync and Google Services, Manage your Google account, Customize your Chrome profile, Import bookmarks and settings, and so on. First of all, click on Confirm. A message will pop up. Turn on Sync. Click Yes, I am in. Syncing has now been established. Now you can see the Turn Off button, through which syncing can be disconnected. Down below you can see other Google services also, which are on by default. Testing Google Password Manager by logging into website and saving its username and password. Logging in and entering username and password. After a few seconds, from the right side, option will open for you to save username and password. Click on Save. Now your password will be saved offline and online. Coming back to Password Manager and checking if the password is really stored online. Refreshing the page and checking again. We can find that website is registered in the Password Manager, which will show your saved URLs, username and password, and that can be edited. Coming back to Google Chrome settings, in the autofill password section, all saved passwords can be seen, which are synced with Google Password Manager. These passwords can also be edited and exported. Similarly, in the Password Manager, passwords can also be exported and imported. Whenever you log into your Gmail account and turn the sync on in the settings, you will immediately get access to your saved passwords from the Password Manager. Similarly, if you are using Microsoft Edge, there is also option for syncing your browsing data across devices. But in this case, you have to make an account with Microsoft. But if you do not want to create an account, your passwords will still be saved offline, and you can also import or export them. Hope you found this video very helpful. Then do share, like, comment and subscribe for more such videos.